Assalamualaikum everyone. ICP is my baby. Yes, some few days ago I announced on the Discord and I said that ICP is my small baby and my babies don't disappoint. I don't know, man. Why did I talk like that? I saw Nas Daily some few time ago and I got really motivated to actually talk like him. So let's get back into me. And now ICP is trading at 16.8 and people thought that I'm kidding when I say that I'm going to pump the market. You know, you have to come to the Discord and look what I talk about on Discord, right? And I said crypto is alive, young and wild. This was back in 21 when things were down. I brought the bulls with me, bulls that are hungry to eat the bears alive. Okay, 85,000. I think Bitcoin is getting to 85,000 in the future. All right, let's just get into ICP anyways. Okay. So one very positive thing I see with ICP, and for this one I'm going to tell you the accumulation zone. So I always compare this with the educational part here of accumulation. And when you say the word accumulation, man oh man, it's ICP that always comes into my mind. I have a private course that is 19 hours long, and back 1.5 year ago, when I made a section called accumulation to teach people what accumulation is all about, I was talking about ICP in the whole entire video because back then it was like $8, $5, and yes, that's when we were accumulating as well in that private course. And now the rest is history. So we saw the break of accumulation. And what happened with ICP for the past 1.5 months, the sideways movement, as I said, was that I thought it was a reaccumulation. So this right over here, okay? So you have a markup, a reaccumulation, and you might continue to pump up and then have a big correction and also continue to go to the upside. So this correction may happen in the future, but still doesn't disqualify an uptrend. Okay, so accumulation looks like this one for Pepe. For this is ICP. Okay, the OG ICP. This whole thing you see down here was accumulation, and thank goodness people in my private all this will do get like signals and stuff. They knew it's not even a secret. Bonk here, Dogecoin, Shib, and this is one mysterious coin that you may get that is in accumulation, similar to ICP and all those other coins, and I'm going to tell you for free. So go down into the Discord, click on Discord, and click announcement and message me over there, the word coin. And what I want to say is that the weekly time frame here, man, look at this. Right, accumulation here, a break to the upside, the reaccumulation happened just as I told you in the picture, and I actually mentioned that this what is happening here is a reaccumulation. So if you're new to the channel, do make sure you're following because you're gonna get some very good solid piece of updates from this channel. Now one may even say that this here is a bullish rectangle pattern, and we're just going to talk about that one very quickly. Bullish rectangle pattern. Can you help me to get to 200 likes with ICP videos? I've been doing this for a long time, haven't even got 200 likes, so do that. So here you are, an uptrend, a rectangle sideways movement, a push to the upside, an uptrend, a push up, a rectangle sideways movement, a push to the upside. Okay, so the future is in good hands, at least because what we can say and see is that this is a move up, a sideways movement, a rectangle that printed out, and it's continuing to move to the upside. So it takes from the top to the bottom of the pole and wherever the break is, and you can see it's almost $44-48, and I've been marking this for a long time, but I do believe that ICP is meant to get to $80. I think it's an easy peasy $80 in the future. That's the reason why you're looking at the thumbnail technical target. And also maybe when you get to the $40 department, we may even see a correction, maybe down to 21, who knows, okay? Because that's what the image shows, that after that reaccumulation and a push up, a correction can happen. But we're gonna see, and that's why I'm telling you, follow the channel, and in the future we're going to see it's a long-term thing now. It's a journey we can go on. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.